Hey, Miss nice RG. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right. If I murdered it, I'm really sorry. So you gave me two different links, and I'm not sure what you want me to review on this one because this one looks fairly empty right now. I could probably go back to this later on when you have like more content, but let's focus on this one. So first thing I want to change basically is this top um the section right here where there's like an arrow because it kind of doesn't align with this one, and I don't know why it was chosen as part of your web design. um I definitely would remove that, but this just my personal choice. You could always keep it as if you really want to. um i like um I like your website so far. I think looks clean, although with the spacing on this one, I definitely add more space or break down your sentences to make it more, to make it look more readable. And then for this links right here, any text on here, I think this color is great, but it doesn't really show nicely with this background. So I changed this. And if you're wanting to change it, you might want to change this background as well on your footer, just because again, the link and the text are not really too readable for me. All right, so that's definitely things I would change. And then the buttons on here, I feel like this one is so small, and I'm not sure how this is gonna look on mobile. Let me check real quick. But all right. I don't know if your website is mobile responsive. All right, there we go. Okay, so for this one, I definitely changed how it looks on mobile because as you can see, it's not really nice to look at. Now, on mobile, this thing, if you tap on this would look small. So I would, like add more padding and things like that for your customers or website visitors to kind of just be able to click on it and not have to double tap and things like that when they're trying to visit certain pages on your website. And then again, alignment, because this one doesn't really show up as centered, so that's something that I definitely want to change. And I really think that's it. Hope you learn something out of this. Thanks.